Social Marketing Review 2. This presentation has been done by Vidya G, 17 BEC 1214 and Mariam Afshan 17 BEC 1090. Growth in population and change in lifestyle has led to increase in waste generation. Municipal solid waste includes residential and commercial waste generated in city areas in either solid or semi-solid form. Safe and cost-effective management of these wastes is a significant social, environmental, and a health challenge for modern society. Considering the social, environmental, and health impact of waste management and sanitation, the Government of India has launched Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India Mission was a nationwide campaign in India for the period 2014 to 2019 that aims to clean up the street, roads, and infrastructure of cities, urban, and rural areas in India. But with rapid urbanization, the country is facing massive waste management challenge. The key to efficient waste management is to ensure proper segregation of waste at source and to ensure that the waste goes through different streams of recycling and resource recovery. Our idea is to build a robotic arm for automatic waste segregation in landfills, and a multi-protocol application would truly help realize the vision of IoT with devices that span across use cases and cost points and deliver meaningful impact on social initiatives such as the Swachh Bharat. Our idea is to automate the process of waste segregation and management. When mixed dry and wet waste breaks down in lowland, it creates nasty greenhouse gases. Segregation makes it attainable to utilize and recycle the waste efficiently. This waste segregator system can easily segregate waste with the help of computer vision and machine learning. Here you can see the model of the Arduino robotic arm and the Android app. To control the movement of each servo or axis of the robotic arm, the following components are required: servo motor, micro servo motors, Bluetooth module, Arduino board, and a DC power supply of 5 volt and 2 amperes. The block diagram of the 6-axis robot for waste segregation is as follows. It consists of 3 servo motors to control the 6 different motions of the robotic arm, and the Arduino board is used as a central controller. Manual controlling can also happen using the mobile app user interface. At the top of the mobile app, we will have 2 buttons for connecting the smartphone to the HC05 Bluetooth module. Then on the left side, we will have an image of the robotic arm, and on the right side, the 6 sliders for controlling the servos and 1 slider for the speed control. Using the sliders in the app, we can manually control the movement of each servo or axis of the robotic arm. Also, using the save button, we can record each position or step, and then the robotic arm can automatically run and repeat these steps. With the same button, we can pause the automatic operation as well as reset or delete all the steps so that we can record new ones. This idea is an inspiration from the RawCycle, which is a robot system that automatically sorts recyclables. You can see that it can clearly sort paper from plastic. We also use computer vision and moisture sensors to detect recyclables and the dry and wet waste. Initially, the raw garbage is loaded onto the conveyor belt. The first stage of separation has a setup containing magnets and a bin. The magnet grabs all the metallic products and the metallic scraps from the garbage, which in turn is put into a separate bin. The second stage of separation starts with the queuing process of the garbage using a rubber flap, which would restrict the number of trash entering the image acquisition module. Then the image of the trash is captured by the camera in the image acquisition and processing module at the end of the robotic arm and is sent to the Raspberry Pi processor. The processor in turn transmits the image to a unit which is trained using an algorithm. The processing unit identifies the image of the garbage, classifies it into the respective category, and transmits the data back into the Raspberry Pi. Using the data obtained by the Pi processor, the mechanical device operates and the conveyor flaps to tilt in a particular direction and direct the garbage into a particular bin. The categories of waste sorted in the second stage involves dry, organic, waste, paper, plastics, and non-magnetic metals. In this way, all the different types of waste can easily be classified, that is using two steps. The first one being the robotic arm and the second one being the computer vision model. Thank you.